All right, now we're going to start ISO 18. I'm already in the ISO folder, so I'm just going to create, document. I'm going to call this ISO 18. I'm going to go ahead and create this base first. So I'm going to look down from the top. So I'm going to click on the top plane, click Sketch. Then I just come over here and turn off the visibility on each of those planes. I'm going to click on the top. All right, so first I want to make this rectangle that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we come all the way out to here, it actually comes out 6 inches. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches across. So I'm going to click on the rectangle. Again, it doesn't matter if I use the corner or the center. Okay, it's 8, so I just type in 8, enter, by 6, enter. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take out this rectangle right here. And it comes right on the edge, so I will dimension this after I put in the rectangle. On this one, I do want the corner rectangle because I want to start right on the edge. I'm going to make the rectangle, and this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4 inches long. I'm going to type in 4, enter, and then it's 1 inch deep. I'll type in 1, enter. Then it's 2 inches from each side, so it doesn't matter if I dimension it from this side or from this side. I'm going to come up here to the dimension. I'm going to click on the edge of this rectangle. When that line turns yellow, I'm going to click there. And I click one more time and just type in 1. No, I'm sorry. That's 2 inches. Now I'm going to click on the isometric view. I want to extrude. And then I click on the small rectangle. That's going to get rid of that. Now this is 2 inches high. So I'm going to click on the 1, change that to 2. Okay, if I come over here and click on isometric. Now I'm going to round off these 2 corners. This has a radius of 1 inch. Okay, and so when we do the fillet, it wants the radius, not the diameter. So I click on fillet. It defaults to 0.2. I'm going to change that to 1. I'm going to click on this corner and this corner. All right, so we have this basic shape down here. So now we're going to extrude a rectangle going up. It's 2 inches deep. It goes all the way across. And then I'm going to extrude it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches. So I'm going to sketch. Again, I'm going to do it on the top. I want to use the corner rectangle, and I'm going to come right over here. I'm going to get on the corner. And when I get that little square, that tells me I'm on the corner. And I'm going to drag it all the way across to the other side. It's already dimensioned 8. I'll just go ahead and type in 8 again, and then it's 2 inches. Okay. So now I want to extrude. Eight inches. Click on the isometric again. That's going to bring it down. Now I want to round off these two corners. And if we go from the center, because we're looking at the center, if this were the circle, the center would be right here. It has a radius of 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. So I'm going to click on the fillet and change the radius to 4. I'm going to click on this corner and this corner. Click OK. Now we just need to cut this circle out. And it's the center of the circle would be the center of this half circle right here. So I'm going to click on Sketch. I'm going to click on this front part. Click on the circle. And see if we move around, right there I can find the center of that circle. When I get that box, I'm just going to left click, drag it out. Okay, now we're looking at the diameter because it's got the 0 in front of the number. This one has a diameter of 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to type in 4, enter. I want to extrude. This time again I want to remove. So I click on remove, and to get all the way through I need to go at least 2 inches. And now we're finished with shape number 18.